Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm a Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks, because Fridays are a drag. Oh, in today's video, we're doing a monthly Boxycharm review. I'm back to that. As you might know, I resubscribed, so if you guys are curious into unboxings, we're going to be unboxing this. And this is the October box, and there's some hits and misses as usual. So if you're nosy, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new stuff I upload. I upload 2 to 3 times a week. And I also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media. The links are down in the description box. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this. So this is what the insert looks like. Everyone will be under a spell, obviously, because of Halloween. Looks pretty. And this is the box. There's some really cool stuff that I haven't tried yet, and there's some things that I did try. Actually, some of them I tried today, and one item I haven't even opened because I know it's not gonna work for me. I might as well give it away. So the total value of this is $231. I just calculated. And this is pretty good value for like 27 bucks box. And we're gonna go item by item. Well, first of all, what jumps at you is Natasha Denona Duho. I meant to use this. This is like a different video for ASB tape palette. And I was meaning to use this and I forgot. But I'm gonna swatch for you because, you know, we all live for swatches. This is green. And you all like green blushes, I know that. It looks very bright, but we shall see. I'm gonna keep this for sure. I like green blushes. It doesn't look as bright as it is in the palette. It feels very oily for some reason. Maybe it's her formula, but here it is. See, it's very subtle. It's not very, very bright. And kind of blends out very easily. So I'm not mad at this. I should try this next time. Highlighter. I usually am not into liquid highlighters. This feels kind of like powdery. So I could have used it, I guess. So here's a highlighter. Highlighter looks nice. Let me put some here. I mean, I'm already glowing. You're not gonna be able to see the difference. But this is some good stuff. So Natasha Denona, retail value is $42. So yeah, Natasha Denona is expensive, and this is not the first time I get in Boxycharm, so I'm happy with this. And then we're going to the item that actually I'm going to give away because I don't use neutrals. So this is Wonder Beauty Double Date Eyeshadow Duo. Perfectly curated duo provides a multitude of looks, really, with effortless application. Cream color primes and adds a wash of color to lids, and the satin shimmer powder adds dimension. Oh, I guess it's a cream and powder, but it says smitten and swoon, so I guess that's the colors. And looking at the colors, I know I'm not going to be using this. So this retail value is 26 bucks. So definitely go into the box for the giveaway. And we got this. Actually, this stuff is great. I've been using this in the mornings, at night. This is Symbiosis London Anti-Pollution Pore Refiner Eye Primer and Cream. A revolutionary eye primer helps provide a blank canvas for eye makeup by working to avoid buildup around fine lines and wrinkles. It does feel very smoothing, I'm gonna tell you. It does feel nice. This is 15 milliliters, 0.5 ounces, like half an ounce. So are you ready? Are you ready to drop and gag on not the Eleganza? It's not, because it's $106. Like, seriously. I mean, half ounce for $106 makes you wonder, like, how does it end up in the Boxycharm? And why the heck is it so expensive? HA and PA, hyaluronic and palmitic acids. I mean, I'm like a little skeptical because, you know, it ends up in the value box, but it's $106. Like, I don't know how it ends up, but I'm happy I have it. I like it, actually. And this one actually is very nice. This is real nice. So actually, there are a lot of stuff that's real nice. This is Dew of the Gods, Tate and Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. Breakfast, some champions in the tropics hits different, blah blah blah. Collagen to smooth plant and fruit extracts. Dewy milky serum. It does feel great. It says it builds a perfect base for your makeup to glide over, and or bask in a glass skin glow last all day, so you can like use it alone. I don't know how I would use it alone. I use it as a primer today, and it feels very nice and smoothing. Can't go wrong with this. It smells amazing. Actually, my husband agreed that it smells like bananas, and he read breakfast. I'm like, yeah, it does smell like breakfast. It just looks like regular cream. It smells so good. Makes you want to eat it, but you probably shouldn't be eating it, but it's nice. So this is $32 retail value. I don't know how and how true this value is, but I'm going to be using it, and I'll shut up and be thankful. And the last thing that actually did not gel with me, so this is St. Lux setting spray. A lightweight, microfine setting mist helps your skin retain moisture and set your makeup with glowy finish. Not only this is setting spray formulated to help you achieve flawless makeup, it also can be used on clean skin. I might use this like a moisturizer because I tried to spray myself. I almost ruined my makeup. The spray started with a fine spray and then it ended up with drops. I don't know if I can reproduce it now. It's already kind of fallen everywhere. Yeah, it comes out like fine mist and like the bottom like big drops. So I'm not happy with this. Smells okay, nothing special. So this is meh. Probably use it for moisturizing properties. And this is 25 bucks. So this is it. That's all was in the box. So let me know what you got in your box if you subscribe. I'm happy with this. Natasha Denona, obviously. The eye cream is real good. And primer is real good. So 3 out of 5 is the winner. I'm not mad at it. These expensive items. So let me know what you guys think, what you got in your box. Did you like it? Do you actually subscribe? Boxycharm so far has been alright. So I hope they're not gonna make me change my mind and dump them again. This could happen. I could cancel them again. You're cancelled. Drama. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times to 2 times a week, and I also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media. All the links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. Thank you so much to all my patrons. Thank you guys for the support. I love you all, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!